Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka election MLA na benta ka Sohïong Konstitwensi kalong hakashpo Tarik Jymmang arajar arpulai. Bat ka Sngi banyo ki vote pat kalong khalai Tarik Jymmang arajar arpulai. Yakni lapan bana da ka Election Commission of India. Laban kedo balapin sange no yak election MLA ha Sohïong na kada ko jingklat kandidat jong ukartong ka UDP uba HDR ling do katu kan ni Sngi shwa ka election. Kumban chupin kan mau bahas Sohïong Konstitwensi kidon rungut ki kartong ki banyakun uba samlen malanyang na kaseng NPP uba S Osborne Kharjana na ka Indian National Congress uba Sandondor Rintathyang na ka HSPDP uba Sirap Eric Kharbuki na ka BJP uba Stoding Star Thaba ubanyakun na ka All India Trinamool Congress bat uba Sanchar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba uban sa Thep kerteng kum ukartong ka UDP haka chakaw kunyi jong u balaklat no uba HDR Lingdo.
So we are simultaneously announcing the by-elections also. So the by-elections will take place for the assembly in Odisha, Jharsuguda, in UP, in Suar, UPAC 34, 395 Chanabe in UP, Sohïong in Meghalaya in 23, and also in the parliamentary constituency number 4 in Jalandhar, Punjab. So this will fill up all our vacancies till February 2023. The Gazette notification would be issued on 13th of April. Last date of making nominations would be 20th of April. Date of scrutiny would be 21st April 2023. After that, the withdrawal of the candidature can be up to 24th of April. The polling will take place on 10th of 5 in single phase, and day of counting would be 13th of May.